Are you looking for a healthy breakfast or snack alternative? Here's how I prepare my overnight oats. First, let's put half cup of rolled oats. Any brand will do. Next, we'll put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and mixed well. After that, we can add half cup of milk, either almond milk or low-fat milk. Then we'll add stevia as our sweetener. To make this creamier, we can add yogurt, any brand or flavor will. Next, we will add the fruit toppings. Any fruit of your choice will do. For this one, I'll be putting sliced apples. Lastly, we will add the mixed dried fruits and nuts.
You can check out the yellow basket. All the ingredients are there, including the jars that I've used.
If you like to pre-order, just comment below or message me for pre-orders. Thank you and enjoy!